Hello YouTubers. I tried to make this video before, but my phone cut out, so I wasn't able to show you the first one. I am making a 12 volt DC refrigerator. I have two of these thermoelectric Peltier units. Cool side has a small heat sink and small fan. Large size has a large heat sink, large fan. They're $15 a piece on eBay. I'll put a link in the description. From the research I've done, two of them should cool this down to about a little below 40 degrees and a little above 35. So between 35 and 40 degrees. So I'm taking and converting a regular old mini fridge. For that, I am using a Ryobi cordless saw, and I'm going to cut through the case, cut out the square, cut out the foam, cut a hole in the plastic underneath like I did here, and install that. I'll get back to you on that. Okay, so I got the hole cut through the case. I also cut another hole right here. I have a small digital thermometer I picked up on eBay for like $2. They only have them in Celsius, but that's gonna pop in right here with the feed going inside. Should look pretty professional. So I cut through the case with the saw. We're gonna pop out the metal square here, and here with a butter knife. Now the foam insulation here has got to go, and so I'm gonna cut that out. And yeah, I can't hold the phone and do it at the same time, so I'll be back. Okay, for this part I have cut out the foam, and I've drawn a basic outline of the location of the cold heatsink that's going to go through. So I'm going to cut that out now. I'm using a basic X-Acto knife. Nothing much, it's just thin plastic. So it does slice right through it. You want to try and keep it reasonably close to the size as possible. You don't want heat bleeding through and ruining the efficiency of your refrigerator. Sorry about this. Alright, now okay, now I have to go a little larger, so I'll get back to you on that. Okay, if you see the heatsink here, you can see that the square bottom is smaller than the base of the heatsink for the cold side. So we need the base of the cold side to drop all the way through the plastic. So I outlined the size of the base of the cold side, and now we're going to cut it out to fit down in there, and I'll get back to you. Oh, well, forget to pause, sorry. Okay, so I've rigged my system up. I've got the basic household switch in the center. All the red wires go into the switch, and then the black wires go to the ground. It all runs into my 12-volt solar system there. This is how much current it draws. This is it on. This is it off. On. Off. So it's drawing like 0.8, 0.9 volts. I got the thermometer in there, 26.5 so far. I just turned it on. You can see the heat sinks down there. The thermometer runs through the top there, and the end sticks right out here underneath the tape. So there's that. And we're going to let it cool down for a bit, and we'll see where it bottoms out. As it turns out, I'm going to have to get back to you. My battery isn't full enough to come back in an hour, and I don't know if my phone will keep recording if I put it on charger, or like if I can pause it, or yeah. Anyway, I don't have any editing software. I don't have a laptop or anything. I'm working off a cell phone. So I pretty much just paused the video, and last time I tried to pause it, and I lost the first install. So we're just gonna go with it the way that it is. I would like to thank all my donors. Alytha, Scarlett, Transformations by Sharon, Douglas, Heidi, Jim, Susan, Tracy, Patricia, Angela, Jim, and Blue Light Apps LCC. Anytime I get a business, I want to mention them. See, Robert. Okay, where are we going? More from Alytha. My mom, I want to thank her. Corinna Cooney, she very good friend of mine. She's been helping me out a little bit here and there. But yeah, that is my refrigerator project, and I will get back to you guys as soon as I start the kitchen sink. I want to thank everybody for helping me get my camp in order and get some real nice amenities. And I apologize for forgetting to pause the video there and making a long blank spot, but thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a good day. God bless you all.